नमस्कार.
Speaker, sir.
Yes, माननीय मंत्री.
Under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of the Business of the House, I would like to postpone starred LAQ number 15C and unstarred LAQ number 45 and 51 fixed for reply today, as the LAQs are too detailed and voluminous.
माननीय मंत्री काबराल.
Under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure of Conduct of Business of Goa Legislative Assembly, I seek to postponement of starred LAQ number 1A. Speaker, sir. 1A. Speaker, sir. Unstarred LAQ number 100 is voluminous. Hence, I would like to circulate the series of the reply.
Which question?
Speaker, sir. 100, LAQ number 100. Unstarred.
Unstarred LAQ number 100 is saying.
Speaker, sir, I may be also permitted to make the following corrections and replies given for the postponed star LAQ number 6C, which is come on today.
6C.
6C, which is come today, which is last time postponed, which is come on the agenda of the table of the House. At subsection B, the following may be added to the answer.
Again you are postponing?
No, I'm only adding.
Okay.
At subsection B, the following may be added to the answer. The details of the above mentioned 19 codes are as under: Principal District and Sessions Court 1 number, Districts and Session Court 5 numbers, Fast Track Courts 3 numbers, Civil Judge Senior Division 2 numbers, Civil Judge Senior Division 4 numbers, Additional Courts 4 numbers.
Yeah.
At Annexure A, Speaker, sir, at Annexure A, under details of the building premises owned by the government, the following may be added to the answer. South Goa District. Districts and Session Court South Goa Margao 1 number, Civil and Criminal Code Margao 1 number, Civil and Criminal Code Vasco da Gama 1 number, Civil and Criminal Code Kepe 1 number, Civil and Criminal Code Sangye 1 number, Civil and Criminal Code Kankona 1 number. And Annexure C, Speaker, sir, it might, instead of 95, may be read as 9%. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Correct.
Member, that's what decided.
Okay, we'll take care of.
Speaker, sir.
Henceforth you give in writing.
I will.
Please sit.
स्पीकर सर आणि एक तुमची नदरी हाडून दिवं सोदता हांव की क्वेश्चनची रिप्लाय पळय जी येता ती काल सुद्दां आयचे जे क्वेश्चन आसात त्यांची काल सांजचे पर्यंत रिप्लाय आमकां मेळना पण अशी रिप्लाय तुम्ही ऑन द स्पॉट जर काही क्वेश्चनाची आज सकाळी येयल्या अजून आज काही क्वेश्चनाची अजून रिप्लाय ना
माननीय
ऑनलाईन रिप्लाय मेळटा ताचे रिप्लाय आसना तुझी बुकलेट
एक मिनिट.
ऑन द स्पॉट तुमकां न्ही स्पीकर सर ऑन द स्पॉट रिप्लाय दिली उपरांत स्टडी कशी करप एकच पहिली क्वेश्चन
एक मिनिट माननीय विरोधी पक्षनेते. हेन्सफोर्थ माननीय सगळ्या मंत्र्यांनी हाची चत्राय घेवची आणि तुमच्या सगळ्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरां जी आसा ही एक दीस एडवान्स धाडपाचो आमकां प्रयत्न करचो. behalf of CM may be the permitted to replace the page number 49 of the reply of the starred LAQ number 15B. It is already online, we did.
Questions. The reply has already come to the Secretariat, but the answers are not loaded. The reply from the department has already come. Status Mehta. If you check the online status, answer is already come, but it is not loaded. Is it deliberately done? Just find out what is happening there, Speaker, sir.
I'll check.
Speaker, sir, आता ऑनरेबल मेंबरान सांगले पळय क्वेश्चन नंबर 2A पळय आसा ताजे आन्सर येवना. इट वॉज ए कंबायन्ड क्वेश्चन ऑफ ऑल द 3. आता CD दे सेड दॅट CD will be placed. काल आमकां CD मेळूना. It is not uploaded. Neither CD was placed yesterday. So even if now you place the CD now, how do we study? How do we go through it?
I'll check. मातशें बसत. आता DVD सर्क्युलेट केला तुमकां.
करप केन्ना
So you post.
स्टडी करप केन्ना
हेन्सफोर्थ आमकां थोडोसो उशीर मेळ्ळो. दुसरी फावट याची काळजी घेतली
पहिलं
वतली.
अधिवेशन फक्त 2 दिसाचे आसा आणि 2 दिसाचे सुद्धा
मान्य सभासद, इट इज अ व्हॉल्युमेटस
2 दिसाचे सुद्धा गव्हर्नमेंट तयारी येईना रिप्लाय ना सरकाराकडे.
ओके बसून घेत. ओके दुसरे फावटी इन एडवान्स पयले दिसा दिली वतली. दुसरे फावटी आमी इन एडवान्स दिता सीडी.
पोस्टपोन करा आणि दुसरं अलाव करा तांकां आणि फाल्यां परत पोस्टपोन करून रिप्लाय स्टडी करून न्ही रिप्लाय स्टडी करून न्ही आतां तुमी सीडी दवरल्या कशें जातलें पोस्टपोन करा फाल्यां दवरा
ओके
अलाव करा.
आमी दुसरे फावटी तेजी हे घेता. पोस्टपोंडेड स्टार क्वेश्चन फुडें धुकिल्लो प्रश्न जो आसा तो फिलिप नेरी रॉड्रिगीस फाटले फावटीचो 1A.
Speaker, sir, postpone start question 3A.
Speaker, sir, as replied on the portal of the House.
Speaker, sir, my question is on shortage of staff in the various courts, civil judge, junior division, and JMFC in the state of Goa. Speaker, sir, in my reply, it is admitted by the government that there is a shortage of staff in the courts. So I want to know from the minister, from which dates all these vacancies are arise, or from which year the post fell vacant.
Speaker, sir, the question asked is the number of staff allotted to each court and a civil judge and senior in the junior. I think I have answered in Annexure A. The other part of the question in B was whether all courts in the state have requisite staff or not. That I have answered in Annexure B. The reason for non-appointment of staff to the courts in time frame I have answered also in Annexure. Speaker, sir, what honourable member is asking is when the vacancies have been arised on which date. Speaker, sir, that was not part of this question and hence the details are not available. But still then, what has happened, Speaker, sir, over a period of time, there are retirements which are happening. And there was a blanket ban of recruitment given in the year 2016. As a result, the blanket ban has been removed just 1.5 years back. But what we have done, Speaker, sir, is we have given them temporary nature of people so that even if permanent staff is not given, they have got staff given on temporary basis through Goa Recruitment Society. This is for your information. It is not part of your question. Now, what you have asked me about detail of every person retired and when, I will give it again to you, Speaker, sir.
Speaker, it is given, the figure is given, 108 posts are vacant, Speaker. So I want to know whether the functioning of the court has been affected by this non-filling of vacancy. He said it is because of ban. And that's why, tell me from which year the ban is effective for not filling the post. And when the post will be filled. He said 6 months. But there are elections to come, that there will be a code of conduct. So will the minister tell me when he will fill the post in all respect so that the court should not suffer in its functioning?
Speaker, sir, as I have already mentioned previously, I have told honourable member that to see that the courts don't suffer, 29 LDCs on contract basis through Goa Recruitment Society have been already given to them in place of the regular postings. And as I promised that in the next 6 months, they will be filled. If exigencies like code of conduct or anything which is a regular effect, if it affects the recruitment, then when it is lifted, it will be done. But so that the courts don't suffer, 29 LDCs have been given in various courts through Goa Recruitment Society. They have been working there to help the courts to see that they do not suffer, Speaker, sir.
Srimati Elena Saldana.
May I be permitted to ask LAQ 3B?
You are asking the another question? No, sit. Then Tarang, you are there. Okay, Sri Alex Lorenzo.
Speaker, sir, not that I go to courts a lot of times, but when I visited last time, the Vasco court, to give...
No, I'm giving.
Speaker, sir,
You can.
To give orders, even order copies which are ready to give order, there is no staff. Now, the condition of the court, there is no ACs there, forget about that. Now, staff, there are more retiring, Speaker, sir, by this year December, there are more than 100, 120 staff which is retiring as per records, as per just verbal questions on the staff. Now, already there is a backlog. There is going to be more retirement. Something has to be done, otherwise they will have problems as far as even copies of judgments. To give judgments, there were 3 staff in one office. Now there is hardly 1 staff there. I am talking of Vasco Court because I have got there. Because, sir, please see that That recruitment is done on an urgent basis.
Okay.
Because, sir, I think I have answered. Honorable member has made a statement, and I think I have already answered on Honorable Member Philip Neri's question that we are trying to see that every post is filled. Unfortunately, in 1994, the powers to advertise and powers to take was given to the district chairmen of those judges. So it is not entirely in our hand, but whatever NOC is required for filling up these posts, we have given them, Speaker Sir, and the process is on. Within 6 months, we should be able to fill in all the posts, and we have also, under the able guidance of Honorable Chief Minister, the committees appointed, HUDCO and the other committees have also given them sanction for extra posts. So we have taken all things onto record, and within the next 6 months, I think we should be able to fill.
Extension must be by Speaker Sir.
Okay.
Last time we had raised issue of extension given to our officer who was troubling the staff.
Okay, is noted. तारांकित प्रश्न आयचो प्रश्न क्रमांक 1 श्री विल्फ्रेड दिसा. Ken.
Speaker Sir, Speaker Sir, unstart.
ना नाव बस आता बसत. तारांकित प्रश्न क्रमांक आयचो 1 विल्फ्रेड दिसा.
त्या न्हू
Speaker Sir,
Postpone
6 years,
question
sir, 6
second
years.
हा.
अनेक answer 6
आणि
years.
आन्सरा
ओके ओके ओके.
तुम्ही आम्ही उभे रावले का बसोवपाची ट्राय करतात.
ना तुम्ही उभे राहात. एकाच प्रश्नाचेर आज आमी थोडेशे चड प्रश्न जातले. एकाच प्रश्नाचेर जाय जाल्यार 15 मिनटां वतली. हांव तुमकां दुसरे फावटी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिता. प्लीज बसात. पोस्टपोन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.
हेजेर म्हाका एक विचारपाक जाय आसलें. आतां कोर्टान मॅटर आहा बरें आहा.
ऑलरेडी
एक मनीस कोर्टान गेलो हो मनीस कोर्ट जाता म्हळ्यार मोन गेले ते पसून रावपाक कामडा हिंगा. अरे लोकांक गेले काम जायना मनीस ना कितें जाल्यार उपाय करा तुमी मनीस घेवपा पोते.
ओके ऑलरेडी ही हॅड आन्सर्ड. आमी पोस्टपोन क्वेश्चन 2 श्री चंद्रकांत कवळीकर.
स्पीकर सर, postpone star LQ number 6C.
Speaker Sir, as table on the portal of the House.
स्पीकर सर, म्हाका माननीय मंत्र्या कडच्यान जाणून घेवपा जाय. त्यांनी एनेक्शर दिल्ली आसा म्हाका रिप्लाय दिल्या पूण इन शॉर्ट म्हाका मिनिस्टरा कडच्यान जाणून घेवपा जाय की म्हजी जो क्वेश्चन जो आसा तो जो कोड आसा ते वेगवेगळे कोड जे आसात ते तेंचे प्रायवेट प्रिमायसी भितर जे कोड चलतात ते कितले अशे चलतात आनी जे कन्स्ट्रक्शन नवी कोर्टाचें काम जे चालू आसा ते कितले कोर्टाचें काम चालू आसा आनी केन्ना कंप्लीट जातलें हें म्हाका जाय इन शॉर्ट.
In short, Speaker Sir, in short दिवपाक जायना, it is lengthy. हांवें म्हाका दिसता आन्सर इन डिटेल दिल्ले आसा. ऑनरेबल ऑपोजिशन लिडरा कडेन टेबलार आसा. आतां तो इन शॉर्ट जायना. हांव जाल्यार डिटेल दिवपाक जाल्यार दिता स्पीकर सर. डिटेल दिवं.
सांग
स्पीकर सर, द गव्हर्मेंट रीड आउट करनाका म्हळ्यार कितें कंप्युटर घातला चीप हांवें. स्पीकर सर
इन शॉर्ट डे.
स्पीकर ना शॉर्ट दिवपाक जायना स्पीकर सर. शॉर्ट दिवपाक जायना. आय हॅव
थोडक्यात-
गिवन डिटेल्स ऑन द पोर्टल ऑफ द
माननीय
हाऊस.
मंत्री तुमकां थोडक्यात कितें सांगपाचें आहा तें सांगात.
तेका फूल जाय म्हणटा तो आतां स्पीकर सर.
हांव सांगता तुमी थोडक्यात सांगात.
Speaker sir, in short, I have in short to say, there are premises in North and South Goa. In the North Goa, government-owned premises are 10, and in South Goa, government-owned premises are 6. Non-government-owned premises for courts functioning in short म्हणटा ना पोतून विचारशी, are 2 in Tiswadi Taluka, 2 in Bardesh Taluka. There are other courts where other things like what I said short is district and session court, but there are other courts which are also there in Spaces building. Almost 4 courts are functioning there. There is another 2 courts which are functioning in Mapsa, which are of in one private building. Speaker sir, totally functioning courts in private buildings are all together around 10.
स्पीकर सर, इन शॉर्ट सांगपाच्या बोवाळा भितर त्यांनी केन्ना कंप्लीट जातलें तें सांगलें ना. तूं केन्ना कंप्लीट जातलें म्हणून सांगलें न्हू, तुका आनी कळपाचें. म्हाका एकच कोर्टाचेर विचारता हांव. ऐका आतां बस. एकच कोर्टाचेर विचारता हांव. मेर्शीस कोर्ट जो आसा ताजे बद्दल सांगचें की केन्ना हो स्टार्ट जाल्लो आनी केन्ना कंप्लीट जातलो आनी टायमार आसा काय कितें आनी कोणाक खंयच्या प्रिमायसिसी भितर दवरल्ले आसा आनी ते सगळो प्रोसेस सारको आसा काय कितें आनी कितलीं वर्सां दवरपाचें आसा कोर्ट लांबड करून डिले करून कन्स्ट्रक्शन हाजेर उलोवचें. पयलीं एस्टिमेट कितलो आनी आतां कितल्याचें पावलें सगळें सांगचें डिटेल. हेजी डिटेल सांग, हेजी शॉर्ट कर नाका, डिटेल सांग.
Speaker, sir, Honorable Opposition Leader, I think the question he has asked is very specific. And what he is asking me now is not specific to this related to question. But however, I will tell him that the construction of the new Districts and Session Court building at Mirses Siswadi is scheduled to complete on 1/4/2021. 1/4/2021, sir.
आणि 3 वर्सां स्टार्ट केन्ना जाल्लो?
Speaker, sir, the tender of this was done and work order was placed on 26/9/2016.
बस टायम लिमीट कितली आहली? टायम इतले आसा 2021 कंप्लीट जावपाचो. 16 5 वर्साची टायम लिमीट 5 वर्साची दिला. 16 जर काम चालू केला आणि कंप्लीट म्हणटा तो 21 म्हळ्यार एक कोर्टाचें काम करपाक 5 वर्साची तुमकां हे आसा टायम लिमीट आसा दिल्ली आसा.
स्पीकर सर, टायम लिमीट जे दिता टेंडरान दिता, हांव दिना. आनी हे जे कोर्ट बांदता GSIDC बांदता आमचे खातीर, आनी तितू टेंडरान दिल्ले टायम लिमीट आसता. आनी तो एक कोर्ट न्ही स्पीकर सर, ते 11 कोर्ट आसा एक कॉम्प्लेक्सान. आतां ऑनरेबल ऑपोजिशन एक म्हणटा म्हाका समजना. हांवें फक्त मागलेलें तुमचें परमिशन फॉर अ डिफरंट ऑफ दीस पार्ट ओनली, बट अ डिफरंट पार्ट. हें म्हाका दिसता पयलींच दिल्लें आसा, 2-3 दीस पयलीं ह्या पोर्टलार आशिल्ले सगळे डिटेल. पूण आतां ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर, ऑनरेबल ऑपोजिशन मागता, लिडर मागता. पूण हांव इतलेंच सांगता की टायम लिमीट जो आसा हो जो तेणें मागला, इट इज टू बी कंप्लिटेड एज ऑन 1/4/2021. And I will see that I will pursue this thing into right earnest and see that it is constructed. However, I will also like to be on record of the House. Yet, we are only the execution authorities. Like, हेजी कमिटी हायकोर्टान केल्ली आसा आनी टायम टू टायम खंय काम चालू आसा ती कमिटी हाडटा आनी हें चेंज कर म्हणटा. टायम टू टायम ते कर म्हणटा, दुसरें चेंज कर म्हणटा. सो असली जर अडचणी येयल्यो, हांव तुजें कमिटमेंट हांव हें करूं शकना. कित्याक एज पर अ डिझायन पयलीं हायकोर्टाचे जे जज आशिल्ले आनी बाकीचे कमिटी आशिल्ली तेणी एप्रूव केल्ले. सबसिक्वेंटली कोण जज चेंज जाता, कोण चेंज जाता, ते चेंज करीत रावता. अशेंच आमकां हायकोर्टाचो जो आमच्या सायडीन बांदता थंय त्रास जाल्लो आसा. सो आय विल बी ऑन रिकॉर्ड ऑफ दीस हावस that if it is not changed by this committee time to time, and if the flooring and building premises is not changed in time to time, I promise that it in the schedule of 1/4/2021 it will be complete. However, if there are no changes suggested by the committee in between.
स्पीकर सर,
येस,
माननीय मंत्र्यांनी उलयता आसतना एक मातशी उल्लेख केलो, मातशें करेक्ट करचें. हांवें जे रिप्लाय लेट येता म्हणलें ते ह्या क्वेशनाचें म्हणलें न्ही. आमचे अनेक कलिगांचे क्वेशन आसात, तांची रिप्लाय आयज सकाळ सुद्दां आयले ना. ह्या क्वेशनाची पोस्टपोन क्वेशनाचें
ते जालें न्ही डिस्कशन.
हे काम जे आसा तुम्ही म्हणटात की 16 चालू जाल्ले. पयलीं इनिशियली म्हाका आनीक रिप्लाय की पयलीं 14 जे जाल्ले आसा आनी म्हाका 16 तुमी चालू जाले म्हणटा आनी वर्क ऑर्डर दिली म्हणटा आनी 21 जातलें. हांव एकच जाणून घेवंक सोदता मिनिस्टरा कडेन, हें मॉनिटर कोर्ट करता, बॉम्बे हायकोर्टाक एडवोकेट गेल्ले सगळें आमकां खबर आसा. पूण टायम टू टायम कारण दाखोवन, फायनान्शियल किंवा आनी कितें इतर कारण दाखोवन हो कळाव करप जाता काय कितें? कित्याक हांगा लेट जावन आनी कोणाक खंय तरी रेंटाच्या दृश्टीन फायदो करपाचो आसा काय कितें? कित्याक हो सगळे एडवोकेटांच्या हेतून एक संशय आसा की हांगा गव्हर्मेंटाचो प्रोजेक्ट डिले करून खंय तरी जो प्रिमायसीस जे आसा ते लिजार आसा थंय कितें तरी दीस वाडोवपाचे आसा कितें? म्हणजे आतां 18, 19 म्हळ्यार आनी 3 वर्सां आनी कोणाक फायदो करून दिवपाचो आसा कितें? ताका लागून डिले जाता काय कितें?
श्री अलेक्स लॉरेन्सो.
स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल ऑपोजिशन लिडरान जे म्हटल्यार फायदो करून दिवपाचो आसा वा ना दिवपाचो आसा तो तेजो पर्सनल प्रश्न. पूण म्हजें म्हणणें कितें आसा, जो तेणें प्रश्न मांडला तो आय हॅव ऑलरेडी ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस आय प्रॉमिस दॅट आय विल सी दॅट एज पर द टेंडर्ड स्टिप्युलेटेड डेट इट विल बी कंप्लिटेड. एंड आय विल सी दॅट इफ द members of the committee don't change anything, it will be completed in a stipulated time, that is 2021, 1/4/2021.
It's okay. Sri Alex Lawrence. थोडक्यात.
Because sir, I only want to raise on this issue on that. तो कितें म्हणटा टेंडराचेर टेंडर आहा तो चेंज कोन्ना जाल्यार आपण कंप्लीट करतलो. I want to ask the honorable minister, टेंडर चेंज करपा जाता काय म्हणून? Whether once tendered,
टेंडर म्हणून ना तेणे. He had set the plan.
Specification.
Whatever the specification.
Can you change specifications, Speaker sir, so that the work can be delayed? I'm telling you why, because I'm telling you
Let
what
him
happens.
answer.
One second, that is my answer. And the second part is, now For so many years it's going on. Honorable opposition leader, and he has not put his personal question. The issue is all the lawyers, there was a writ petition in the High Court. Everything was the court is monitoring this. And purposely delay all courts are all lawyers are talking outside. I mean, opposition leader government nahi the. It is a very serious issue. So huintori space is like building on. एक कोर्ट चलताय त्याक हेल्प जाता कित्याक त्याक रेंट मायज फारीक कोत्ताय
सर देवणे
that is the issue is very simple.
एक मिनिट मान्य
And on the
मंत्री
tenders whether
बसात.
it will be changed. Yeah.
मान्य मंत्री
Sir, the honorable colleague is senior colleague. He knows what he is speaking. What I meant, I am clarifying if they don't understand English. Kokodi sangta. Speaker sir, tender jallo ghost. He changes जायना. आणि हे टेंडर जाल्ले कामाक ते काम चालू आसा स्पीकर सर. पूण मोदी ती कमिटी चेंज करपा लायता. त्या टेंडरा भितर जर कितें चेंजीस जाला एडजस्ट जाता जाल्यार करपा मेळटा बट विदिन द स्पेसिफायड रुल्स ऑफ द टेंडर. आणि सपोज दे आस्क अदर दॅन दॅट वी हॅव टू रीटेंडर इट अँड गेट इट. दॅट इज वाय द डिले इज हॅपनिंग स्पीकर सर. दॅट इज वन. अँड वॉट ही इज सेईंग अबाउट अगेन इज रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग की खंयच्या तरी बिल्डींग खंयच्या तरी गव्हर्मेंटान बिल्डींग घेतला ताका भाड्या दिवपाक जाय म्हूण ते आमी हे करता. आय एम ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस अँड आय हॅव सेड दॅट the tender was given 26/9/2016 work order was given and work will be completed on 1/4/2021. याचे मध्ये दुसरे प्रश्न विचारता it has got no relevance speaker sir.
तारांकित प्रश्न क्रमांक 1 श्री विल्फ्रेड डिसा आयचो.
Yes, sir. I may be permitted to ask LAQ number 1B.
Speaker sir, as per printed cycle style and portal of the house.
Speaker, sir, what is the criteria for regularization of contract-based workers who had completed more than 5 years?
Speaker sir, honorable members, question is very simple. And I think I have given him the voluminous reply which is there here printed. I don't know whether he has gone. The question what he has asked me is the number of workers engaged to work on daily basis, contract basis in the election department. I have replied as 1,015. Speaker sir, he has asked furnish details such as names and addresses of workers, qualification, date and original appointment with years. I have an annex in Annexure 1. If you want me to read, I will read that. The number of workers recruited as assistant land helpers between 1/1/2011 till date, 1,972. Further details of names. You have not asked me that question, what you are asking me now.
Yeah,
No, but you cannot ask. See, it should be related, supplementary should be related on the subject what you have asked.
second,
एक मिनिट
No.
मान्य सभासद विचारात तुम्ही.
Speaker, sir, since 2011, number of contract basis workers are 1,015. And तिंतले 586 regularized केले आणि 429 उरले. आणि तांकां 7-8 years experience हा. पूण तेच फाटल्यान न्यू वर्कर्स गेले जे 1,972. 429 हे कितें उरले आफ्टर 8-9 years experience.
Because sir, I think Honorable PWD Minister has said something, but I will not make that statement. But I will say, Speaker sir, related to this, there was a cabinet decision taken in the year 2013. And I will read what is stated in the cabinet decision in 2013. The cabinet resolved to approve the following modified condition of paragraph 4, where preference would be given in selection to all existing line helpers who are working in the department on contract basis as on 31/3/2010. Subject to fulfillment of eligibility criteria, essential qualifications if necessary, by giving one-time age relaxation. So this was a cabinet decision taken on that time. And what you will ask me is how many people have been regularized. So these people, by giving relaxation to age, out of the 773 line helpers who were on contract basis at that particular time of the cabinet decision, that is as of the date of 31/3/2010, were only 773. You have asked till date 1,015. What my answer to you is from 2011 till date. You see your question, it is Speaker sir, he has asked me till date. That means till today, 1,015 people are there. But what he is referring again, that so many years of experience, that answer, I have told him as per cabinet decision, 31/3/2010, there were 773 line helpers who were there present at the time. And the relaxation in cabinet is very simple. They had to apply. They applied, and who were eligible out of the 773, 567 people were taken. Remaining people who were not eligible for various reasons, if he wants those reasons, I will place it on the table of the House, I will give it to him why they were not taken, Speaker, sir.
Shri Digambar Kamath.
I am referring only to the question of line helpers and assistant line helpers. See, one question which he had asked, whether they were given break. The reply given is no. I think your officers are misguiding you. You are aware. The minister is aware. I also spoke to him. And after probably his intervention, they were given 15 days break. And they were again taken on contract basis. This is one aspect, whether he is aware of that. Second issue is, now I had also asked for a unstarred question, for which reply is given. And if you go to see, there are altogether now 349 line helpers, assistant line helpers remaining to be recruited, who have worked for 7 years, 8 years, 9 years. Now my request to the minister is, see, line helpers, basic requirement for recruitment when they advertise is basically that they should be able to climb on the pole, number one. Number two, experience. Now, Speaker sir, you tell me who are the best experienced people to be recruited, then those people who have worked for 7 years, 8 years, who have been climbing on the poles regularly, who have got certificate from executive engineers that they have completed their work, they are completing their work satisfactory. So I would suggest the minister, because they have recruited 1,972 linemen, but I would suggest the minister that only these 349 line helpers, assistant line helpers are remaining, who were recruited 7-8 years back. I think they should consider them. And since they have got enough experience, and they should satisfy all the relaxations, they should take them, give them preference. This I would suggest, if he could, minister could say that he would give them preference whenever, as and when the vacancies are advertised.
Okay.
I'm not going into the other parts of contract labor. I'm only asking you because they are the small section of the society. They are the poorest section of the. Sometimes in electricity department, whenever accidents take place, these are these people who die. Senior people nobody we have heard. We have heard only line helpers, assistant line helpers getting shock and dying. So whether minister will take sympathetic view and try to see that as and when vacancies are created, you will try to give them preference.
Manya Mantri.
Speaker, sir, I think my senior colleague, I would like to read what my honorable colleague, Mr. Babashan, who has asked, Wilfred Tisa. The question was whether it is a fact that the workers who are working on daily basis, contract basis, are given a break for nearly 2 months after working for 6 months. I have said no, sir. So he has asked if for 2 months they were given break. I have said no, and if so, they can show me when they were given 2 months break.
I have said 15 days break.
Sir, Speaker, sir, what honorable member referred to the
सभासद
question,
बसून घ्यात मान्य मंत्र्यांनी
what
कंप्लीट
honorable member referred is to the question put up by honorable member Wilfred Disa, where he is referred 15 days. He has never asked in 15 days, Speaker, sir. He has asked whether it is a fact that the workers who are working on daily basis, contract basis, are given a break for nearly 2 months after working for 6 months. So 15 days question is not, if you had asked for 15 days, I would have said yes, or whatever it is. So the question of my department giving wrong answers is not the Speaker, sir. That is one. Speaker, sir, the second question my honorable colleague has asked, Speaker, sir, is I think this government, whether it is past or this government, under the able leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, they were languishing people working as watchmen for many years. 19 of them, Speaker, sir. This government, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, was kind enough to see, because those posts were never there. They were created in the form of a line helper and given them regularized them as line helpers. So they are working as line helpers, Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir, this government is taking all care of these people, and I think today we have a cabinet, we are going to decide on these things. But I would also like to bring on record of the House, Speaker, sir, that a similar case was brought to my notice, and people are coming to me, that in the year 2005-06, there was a cabinet decision taken for LDC, sweepers and other staff who were working under Goa Recruitment Society. And those people were supposed to be taken, all of them were supposed to be taken. So there were almost 25 of them who were taken from Goa Recruitment Society on contract in electricity department. And these people, out of 25, all were taken on contract basis for 6 months. Then there is another decision by the government then that all should be regularized. But unfortunately, Speaker Sir, these people, till today, there are 7 of them who are left aside. I don't know for what. I don't know. I will have to ask honorable member because he was the power minister then. Why only 7 people were left in that list? If they are so concerned, all of them are so concerned about regularizing, yes, we will see today that the cabinet, there's a decision being taken. But I will be on the record of the House that if they were so concerned, why only 7 people were remaining when all 25 people should be taken? I will meet Honorable Minister, then Power Minister, Shri Digambar Kamath, who is my colleague, and ask him why. Because I'm searching for the files. I don't get those files, Speaker Sir, in the department. I've given them an ultimatum. I told my Chief Engineer to file a police FIR where the files have disappeared in the year 2006. So don't worry, Speaker Sir. We as a government, we are very good with our people. We are taking a decision. And whoever eligible, I am also on record today and to say that in the guise of line helpers, there are some people of the I don't know how to say it, but there are some ladies who have been appointed. If they climb poles, Speaker Sir, we will take them. If they don't climb poles, I don't think we will be able to take them, Speaker Sir. Thank you, Speaker Sir.
Ladies appoint केले असा लाईन हेल्पर म्हणून
हय स्पीकर सर ह्या फाटले हे गव्हर्मेंट जावचनी पयलीं स्पीकर सर लेडीजूय अपॉयंट केल्ल्या लायन हेल्पर म्हणून अपॉयंटमेंट म्हाजे कडेन जाल्यार दिता आनी आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान करूं ना स्पीकर सर आतां तांकां कशें आमी करप आतां लायन हेल्परांक कशें आमी पोलार चडप आनी कशें तेंचे कडेन पास करप इफ दे आर रेडी टू डू म्हाजें कांय प्रॉब्लम ना स्पीकर सर आमी विल कन्सिडर इट बट देर इज लॉट ऑफ डिस्क्रपन्सी स्पीकर सर इफ लेडीज आर क्लाइंबिंग एज लायन हेल्पर्स वी विल सी दॅट दे विल बी गिवन द जॉब स्पीकर सर थँक्यू स्पीकर सर
राजेश असा तुमकां दिता ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी इट इज अ गव्हर्मेंट इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस मिनिस्टर यू वॉन्ट टू टेक केअर गव्हर्मेंट इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस
Speaker sir, I have never said we are not taking them. The process of taking them on regular basis is they have to climb a pole of 9 meters. If they all climb 9 meters, we assure Speaker sir that they will be taken. They have to work as line helpers. They cannot work in the office as line helpers, Speaker sir. Line helpers are people who are working on the site, who are working to pull the lines, dig the poles, dig the holes and put up the poles. If they are ready to work, Speaker sir, we will take. But if they are not working on those lines, I am very sorry to say that we might not have to take and maybe the contract will be also discontinued.
Sri Rajesh Patnaikar.
Speaker sir, the question Honorable MLA Wilfred Desan घातलेलो आसा त्याच सेपरेट क्वेश्चन सिनियर मेंबर Honorable MLA दिगंबर म्हाजी विचारलो आसा म्हाजो पण क्वेश्चन तो आसा की ह्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेजीस जे आसात हांकां तूं फिक्स केन्ना करतलो आतां हेणें एश्युरन्स दिला की टायम येतो आपूण करता म्हणून पूण मिनिस्टर कितें म्हणटा की आपूण तेजी टेस्ट घेता म्हणून खांब्यार चडपाची when these people are already working there as line helpers and they are climbing on poles for last 5 to 7 years, how you are again taking the test of these same people? माझे अशें म्हणणें आसा की तांकां परती टेस्ट कित्याक better to recruit them directly in a department as a permanent employee. Or if you are going for a fresh advertisement on the paper for linemen, assistant linemen, linemen, give them some proportion, give them some proportion to these people who are working on contract basis. But don't take their test because they are already climbing the poles for last 7 years. This is my just request to you.
Speaker sir, my colleague Mr. Rajesh has been very vocal and he has told something. I think I have been very clearly stating that the people who are taken on contract are not line helpers. They are no NMRs. And I'm correcting him, they are NMRs. They are not line helpers. Today, those NMRs we are helping in taking them as line helpers. And those line helpers, if they fulfill the criteria of line helpers, I have promised them that will be taken. I'm correcting Rajesh, Mr. Rajesh's statement, honorable colleague of mine, that line helpers are, as what he says, is correctly saying that they should be on the line, they should climb the poles. But I think I am on record here saying that some of them are taken and they're sitting in the office. And who face the brunt is the power department. Because these people are supposed to work on the line and they are called NMRs and they have to work on the line. They are not known as line helpers. So now what we advertise are regular posts are line helpers and they should be fulfilling the criteria of line helper, and the fulfilling of criteria of line helper is climbing the pole. Now NMRs are not land helpers. I am correcting, Speaker Sir. And if they fulfill the criteria of climbing the pole, all will be taken, Speaker Sir.
श्री चेचिला लेमो
आणि किती जातलो एक सांगल्यार 5 सांगता
श्री लुइजिन फलेरो
Speaker Sir, also issues जो आहा is a very serious issue because जे nominal master रोलाचेर काम करता, right from 1980s this problem was there because I remember in 1980 I was MLA. Government after government had taken a decision that those who work for more than 5 years are automatically to be confirmed. All the NMRs working whether in the PWD or in electricity department or even in other departments, that was a decision taken right from 80s. Now, Honorable Minister Anjay Sangla is a very serious matter. He is saying that files are missing. Now, these are very poor people, the vulnerable section of society, working on NMR, nominal master role. They are living hand to mouth. They are working for the last 9 years. And here is a sinister move of government to see that these files are missing. You said you will inquire. I feel that immediate inquiry should be done. Immediately a house committee should be appointed because this is a humanitarian problem, Speaker Sir. People are working. They are not confirmed for 9 years. Others who have joined subsequently are this. There's a hostile discrimination. It is a humanitarian problem. If the minister is not ready to take action, let us appoint a house committee and ensure that there is a proper inquiry to find out who is behind in this missing files. कितें एरसांनी जायत फायल मिसिंग आहाय जायत फायल आहाय ह्यो खूंय आहाय
सो ओके माननीय मंत्री
Yes, sir. I think honorable member has not understood my reply. I have said that I have been trying to trace this file of 2005-06 where 29 people were supposed to be regularized as per the government then. And I think you were the chief minister then. And in that, or whoever the chief minister from your side, did not take all of them. 7 are still languishing for so many years. I am trying to see why it has happened that, and I will inquire. I have also told you that I am on record of this house, on my table, on my feet, saying that if we don't file the file, we'll find a FIR and I will do the necessary investigation of going in the depth of the file and finding it, Speaker Sir.
What happens to these people? Because they are working for the last 9 years. You will do the
Sir,
inquiry.
I think I have already.
Why don't
I
you
have
explain?
given the promise.
I am on the floor of the house where I will ask honorable colleague of mine, honorable member Digambar Kamath, because he was the power minister then, maybe he will be putting on light in me. Why out of those, Speaker Sir, why out of those people, only 7 were kept? If required, I'll call you also, Speaker Sir. We'll all 3 sit and see why those only 7 people were kept at that particular time, Speaker Sir. Thank you.
पुढल्या प्रश्नाकडे वळूया
Why don't you confirm them?
काय
Why don't you take action on humanitarian basis?
Speaker Sir, I have said something where what is the reason we have to ask, find out first, Speaker Sir, why they were not taken by him that time. Then only I will see if decisions to be taken, we will take the right decision, Speaker Sir. For that I said I will speak, I will ask my colleague why they were not taken. The reason is not known to me. The file for what is, I am going to file an FIR if we don't file, Speaker Sir.
अरे decision त्यांना गेल ना म्हणून आता घेवप ना.
एक मिनिट
I have not recruited. I am not aware of this. Let them see. No,
I said I will take help. I said, Speaker Sir,
Honorable
I
Minister
said I
is
will
not
take help.
aware that Minister does not recruit anybody. It is the departmental officers who do the recruitment. Minister is not even concerned with the recruitment.
Speaker Sir, I think
Speaker Sir, instead of blaming each other,
Yes,
we are
why
not blaming
doesn't the
anybody.
minister give an assurance
Speaker Sir,
that he
we
will
are not
confirm
blaming
them?
anybody. I have clearly said I will request help. I will require help.
माननीय मंत्री तुम्ही तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाकडे चौकशी करात आणि घ्यात
No,
असात.
only
आम्ही-
assurance from the minister.
ताने
Stop
already-
pointing fingers against each
ताने
other.
मंत्र्याने already
Please
सांगला-
confirm them. Please confirm
माननीय
the
सभासद
service.
तुम्ही बसून घ्यात आम्ही पुढल्या प्रश्नाकडे वळूया तारांकित प्रश्न क्रमांक 2 श्री फिलिप नेरी रॉड्रिगीज श्री दिगंबर कामत आणि श्री अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्सो तुम्ही तुमचा प्रश्न विचारात यू कॅन
Please ensure that I was interested.
तुम्ही विचारात पहिली
So I would request Minister to postpone this question today's. Mr. Sir, he has not given the reply.
Correct.
Speaker Sir, before I could raise my question, please see that Minister should postpone this question, which I was
तुम्ही
intending.
एक काम करात
He can
तुम्ही
take.
आता विचारात प्रश्न विचारात तुमका जर उत्तर मिळेना तुम्ही फुडले फावटी मागे विचारू शकता परत एकदा.
स्पीकर सर
I'm not prepared to ask the supplementaries because I have not received the question.
स्पीकर
Answer.
कितें रिप्लाय
Yes, but 2A, 2B and-
हे सांगया हांव रिप्लाय दिवपाक मिनिस्टराक शक्य जालें ना डिपार्टमेंटाक रिप्लाय दिवपाक शक्य जालें ना
आणि विरोधी पक्ष नेते त्यांच्यानी सीडी ऑलरेडी सर्क्युलेट केल्या.
आता
केला.
गेला speaker, आता
आता आमी केन्ना पळोवप ती केन्ना
मिनिट.
स्टडी करप
एक मिनिट मान्य मंत्री तुम्ही किती सांगू सोदता हेजेर
फाल्यां घेयात
कितें सांगा
फाल्यां
मरे?
घेयात
एक मिनिट.
सांगा.
Tomorrow, I can take afterwards because I am well prepared to answer all supplementaries. It is for them to,
I want
Speaker
to ask the second.
sir, Speaker sir, I am replying to what he has asked. And let me answer. If they feel that it has to be postponed, it is your decision, Speaker sir. I am ready to answer it tomorrow also.
Speaker Sir, he can take it tomorrow. Speaker Sir, he can take it tomorrow, the question number 2A. But today I want to ask the second question.
We'll postpone for the next session. It is not possible tomorrow. Will next session.
So Speaker Sir, I may be allowed to ask question
It is
number,
not possible tomorrow.
I may be allowed to start question number 2B.
When you no. It is postponed. It's
Speaker, the full
postponed.
thing
It
is
is not.
postponed.
You say it first.
No,
If you are saying it is postponed,
no, I have not
जालें ना
asked.
अजूनही
no. Then it is when you are saying it is a postponed, we'll postpone for the next
मिस्टेक
session.
कोणाची रिप्लाय
sir,
दिला
I should
येयला
not-
तुमची
कोणाची
mistake
असून
कोणाची?
तू बी परत विचारून
डिपार्टमेंटाची
मिळाला.
mistake किंवा तुमची मिस्टेक
एक मिनिट तुम्ही ज्यांना
Reply
जर
नाही, येईना तर
ऐका
कशी करताले?
माननीय विरोधी पक्षनेते बसा तुम्ही बसा. तुम्ही ज्यांना म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट करता प्रश्न पोस्टपोन कर म्हणजे प्रश्न 2A आणि 2B हाच्या सहित पोस्टपोन जाता. 2B विचारूंक मेळनात. इफ तुम्ही पोस्टपोन कर म्हणटा आसत जाल्यार पोस्टपोन करता. अदरवायज यू आस्क 2B.
Okay, I'll ask question, LQ number 2B.
Then it is not postponing. Take note of it. Philip Neri Rodriguez and Digambar Kamath, both.
Yeah. See, because this pertains to dirty beaches in Goa. Because मुझे हाउसानोदर एक आडपाक दिसता. What is happening in tourism department as far as beach cleaning is concerned. Because in 2010-11, Department of Tourism has invited tenders for beach cleaning. And that too is for an amount of 90 lakhs in North Goa, 80 lakhs in South Goa, Speaker, sir. Thereafter in 2013, the tender has been invited for an amount of rupees 7 crores, speakers, for North Goa and 7 crores in South Goa. Makia, that Speaker, sir, that time we were not member of this house, but the member present here for our ministers now is to vociferously fight or vociferously make a issue out of this beach cleaning. But today they are in government, Speaker, sir. I wish and I intend that I will get a correct answer from this government. Speaker, sir, with effect from I receive a answer, with effect from 17/12/2016, Mrs. Drishti Life Saving Private Limited has been assigned the job of beach cleaning for 105 days for an amount of nearly 2.5 crores, Speaker, sir, as a stopgap arrangement. And recently it was stopped, Speaker, sir. Beach cleaning was stopped. So I want to know from the government or the minister, Korenich was stopped by the contractor. What are the reasons? And for how many days it was stopped? And a contractor on beach cleaning kam kela, whether the garbage collected by Mrs. Drishti Lifestyle Private Limited is as per the Solid Waste Management Act. हे मंत्र्यान सांगचे कित्याक लागून बंद केल्लें बीच क्लिनिंग कितले दीस आनी हे तो करता तें वेदर इट इज एज पर द सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट एक्ट.
Speaker, sir, dirty beach म्हाका दिसना हांव जेन्ना मिनिस्टर जाला टुरिजमाचो हांवें पयलें लक्ष दवरलां बिचीस जाता तितले क्लीन करपाक आनी तेजेर सगळो लक्ष म्हाजो त्या बिचांचेर आसा म्हाका दिसता तेजे वयल्यान एकूय म्हाका अशी कंप्लेंट मेळूं ना खंय गार्बेज आहा अशी आनी आमी एनावन्स केल्लें तुगेलो वॉट्सअप नंबर दिल्लो खंय गार्बेज आसल्यार सांगची म्हणून आनी रोखडेंच विथीन 12 hours आमी ती क्लीन करतात म्हणून बट तेजे वयल्यान म्हाका आजून तसो काय रिपोर्ट येवना दुसरें आतां तेणें म्हटलं ते प्रमाणे सरकारान 17, 12, 16च्यान नॉर्थ आनी सावथ गोवा बीच स्ट्रेचचे क्लिनींग काम करपा खातीर स्टॉप गॅप अरेंजमेंट म्हणून मिसेस दृष्टी लायफ सेव्हिंग प्रायवेट लिमिटेड मुंबय हेका आमी वर्क ऑर्डर दिल्या कंपनीचें नांव एड्रेस नेम्स ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स डेट ऑफ वर्क ऑर्डर आनी वर्क ऑर्डर कंपनी NXA भितर आमी सगळें दिल्लें आहा स्टॉप गॅप अरेंजमेंटचें काम दृष्टी लायफ सेव्हिंग हेका सगळें संस्कार पूर्ण करून दिला GFR 184 जनरल फायनान्शियल रूल चे अंडर सगळे प्रोसिजर करून आनी फायनान्शियल अप्रूव्हल करून घेवन हें काम दिलां आतां तूं कितें जाय तें काम बंद केन्ना पडलां आनी कित्याक बंद केलें काय म्हणून मदीं तेजो डिमांड आयलो की स्पीकर सर आमकां मातशें वाडोवन दिवचें म्हणून नाल्यार आमी काम बंद दवरता म्हणून आमी दिवना वाडोवन पयशे आनी वाडोवन दी म्हणटालो तो तेजें काम बरें आसलेलें आमकां रिपोर्टूय तसो मेळ्ळा कारण बीच क्लिनाचें काम म्हणटा तें खूब त्रासदायक म्हणल्यार कितें चड त्रास कचरो काडलो म्हणून जायना दर्यांतल्यान परतो कचरो येता लोक उडयतात तो कचरो साफ करपा पडटा घाण हें तें सगळें आसता आनी आमकां कितें जाय वर्ल्ड वायज बीच क्लीन जाय आमची गोंयान लोक येता तें पळोवपाक सुंदरता आमची आनी तेजे खातीर तें जें काम जें आहा तें सोंसपाचें काम न्ही तें खूब हार्ड काम आनी तेजे भितरल्यान तेजो रिपोर्ट मातसो बरो मेळ्ळो म्हाका स्पीकर सर तेजे खातीर ताणें बंद केलें काम बंद केल्या उपरांत आमकांय चॅलेंज जाली अरे हो मदींच बंद करता ताका मार्च पर्यंत ताका टर्म आसलेलो मदीं बंद केलें आमी आनी वेळ करून आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटान पावल घातलें आनी डिपार्टमेंटान मनीस घातले आमच्या लेवलाचेर आमी डिपार्टमेंटान सगळे कडेन काम करपाचें चालू केलें बीच क्लिनींग मागीर परत ताका आमी आनी एक फावटी ताका रिक्वेस्ट केलो की आसा तुजो मार्च टर्म काबार जाय पर्यंत तें कर आमी फुडलो प्रोसिजर चालू करता टेंडर बिंडर काडपाचो आनी कोर्टांतल्यानय आमकां हें आयिल्ली इंस्ट्रक्शन आयिल्लें की बेगीनच्यान बेगीन टेंडर काडात आनी तें परतें कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट हेजें दिवं नाका की टेंडर काडून तुमी दिवचें म्हणून आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटान ही चॅलेंज घेतली आनी काम चालू केलें पूण काही लोकांचे बारीक बारीक सारकें क्लीन जायना म्हणून ऑब्जेक्शन येतालें पण परतें मागीर तो आयलो आपूण करता म्हणून आतां मार्च पर्यंत ताका दिलें तें परतें सांग
स्पीकर सर आतां हे सगळे मंत्र्यान म्हाका रिप्लाय दिला ते आयकिल्लें स्पीकर सर आतां म्हजो प्रश्न एकूच माय एप्रिहेन्शन एंड एन्झायटी इन दीस हावस इज दीस स्पीकर सर इफ वी कांट मॅनेज द बीचीस how we can manage the tourists coming into the state of Goa? We are calling it is mass tourism, Speaker. Forget Speaker, sir. Now a fresh tender has been invited. आता मोठो एक टेंडर केला आता ह्या वर्सात तेजो कॉस्ट जाता अराउंड 55 crores. हांव नको सारचा फिगर 55 crores. स्पीकर सर हो आतां टेंडर कोण कारणाक लागून बंद आहा तो प्रोसेस बंद आहा तो हांव नको बट म्हजो प्रश्न येता की कोणे प्रिपेर केला हो एस्टिमेट फॉर दिस टेंडर whether the agency who prepared the estimate has required qualification to do so एक करपा सारकी तेका expertise आहा whether the department has enough qualified staff to go into the estimate which is prepared by the agency of whoever consultant and what a tender process what are the reasons for to keep on hold the present tender of rupees 55 crores regarding the beach cleaning हे मिनिस्टरान सांगचे
आमी अजून कोणाची होल्ड करूं ना प्रोसिजर चालू आहा स्पीकर सर तोच म्हणटा आतां की डिपार्टमेंटाच्यान मॅनेज करपा जाय म्हणून बाबू आसगांवकर टुरिजम मिनिस्टर 100% आमकां हें आहा गट्स आहा फूल बीच क्लीन करपाचें आनी क्लीन दवरपाचें हें आमचे कडेन कापास्ताद आहा आनी ह्या गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आहा तेजे बद्दल तुवें कसलीच काळजी घेवपाची चिंता ना सिर्फ तुवें बोट दाखयचें खंय गार्बेज आहा आनी ती क्लीन केन्ना करता काय म्हणून हें दाखय तें हांव मानता तुका स्पीकर सर 2/10/18 दिसा आम्ही टेंडर नोटीस देऊन बिड्स आपयले त्याची कॉपी एनएक्स बीचे दिल्या टेंडर नोटीस दितकीच मिसेस नीलकमल लिमिटेड डेम्पो टावर्स पंजीम गोवा हो एक आयला मिसेस बीव्हीजी इंडिया लिमिटेड पुणे या एजन्सीचे बिड्स आयले पळय स्पीकर सर आमचे भितर आम्ही जे टेंडर फ्लोट केला कोण कोण आयला आमचे टेंडरा भितर पारदर्शकता आसतली खंयचेच इलिगली आसपाना आनी हांव तेजेर एकदम स्ट्रिक्ट आसतलो हें तुका सांगता रिजनल कळ्ळें तुका बाबू आसगांवकर हें तुमचें बीच क्लिनींग हांगा चालू 5 न्ही आज 7 वर्सां जालीं हांव आयकिता कितें म्हूण आहा तेंच म्हाका कळना भितरलें तें तरी म्हाका कळपा जाय न्ही आरे कितें खंय गोड बंगाल आहा खंय कितें चल्लां अशें तशें उलटें सुलटें तें सांगात मरे फुडलें हांव पळयत मागीर हांगा ह्या टेंडरा भितर पारदर्शकता आसतली जो टर्म्स एंड कंडिशनां सारके आसात तेजे भितर रुल्स भितरल्यान तेकाच तें मेळटलें कोणें वचपा जाता कोर्टान नाल्यार खंय हांव थंय कॉम्प्रोमायज करपाक तयार ना हें तुमकां हांव क्लियर आस सांगता दुसरें ह्या एजन्सीचे बिड्स आयले टेक्निकल बिड्स आमी 5/12/2018 दिसा ओपन केले फायनान्शियल बिड्स अजून ओपन करूं ना टेक्निकल बिड्स ओपन करतकच नीलकमल क्वॉलिफायड जावंक ना काही नोटींगची कॉपी आमी तुका दिल्ली आहा कॉपी ऑफ टेंडर इव्हॅल्युएशन कम सिलेक्शन कमिटी NXCचेर दिल्लें आहा तुमी हें कितें रिस्क्यू कितें तरी म्हणला भितर तें म्हाकाय कळना कितें रिस्क्यू तें खंयचो सब्जेक्ट कसलो तो कितें वर्ड्स तो आं तें म्हणल्यार कितें रिस्क्यू कितें RSQUO
रिक्वेस्ट फॉर
कसलो रिक्वेस्ट हांव डिक्शनरीचेर पळय तुमचें हांवें पळयलां ती क्वेश्चनां जितली घातल्या पळय इतलीं वर्सां तेजे भितर तें आसाच तेंच काडटात कॉपी आनी लायतात काय कोणा खबर खंय रे खंयचो रिप्लाय रे
एक मिनिट मान्य मंत्री तुमकां आनी कितें सांगपाक जाय
न्ही आतां ह्या टेंडराचो प्रोसेस चालू आसा आमी CPW मॅन्युअल सेंट्रल विजिलन्स कमिशन गायडलायन्स पळोवन ही हो टेंडर प्रोसेस आमी केला आनी तो फूल ट्रान्सपरंट आसा कांय भिवपाची गरज ना फूल क्लियर आहा सगळी कडेन तें आनी परतें डिस्यू घातलें आनी कितें सांगपाक जाय
श्री दिगंबर कामत
मिनिस्टर सामकें एश्युरन्स दिता की इलिगॅलिटी कांय करपाना ताणें एक स्टेटमेंट केलो तोय म्हाका बरो दिसलो की डिपार्टमेंटाक कापसात आहा गरज पडली जाल्यार डिपार्टमेंटान फूल करपाचें सगळें करपाक कॅपेसिटी आहा आतां म्हाका गेल्ले खेपेक हांवें असेंब्लीक क्वेश्चन विचारिल्लो हाजेर की तुमी तें टेंडर टर्मिनेट करतकीर कोणाक दिलें तातूंत म्हाका रिप्लाय दिला आनी हांगा रिप्लाय दिला की स्टॉप गॅप अरेंजमेंट म्हणून आमी दृश्टीक दिलें असो तो रिप्लाय आसा आतां दृश्टी म्हणटा तांकां गार्बेज दृश्टी इज बीच सेवींग बीच सेफ्टी मॅनेजमेंट दृश्टी करता गार्बेज कलेक्ट करपाचें एक्सपिरियन्स तांकां कितलें आसा आय डोंट नो देर इज नथींग ऑन रेकॉर्ड पूण म्हाका एक विचारपाक जाय तुमी टेंडर काडना आसतना 1 म्हयन्या 2 म्हयन्या खातीर दिले हांव समजूंक शकता तुवें हांगा ऑर्डरी लायल्या पळय कंटिन्युअसली फ्रॉम 2016 टील टुडे टील 2018 एंड आनी इवन टुडे आय थिंक सो द दृष्टी इज कंटिन्युईंग वर्क इज गिवन विदाउट टेंडर this is one problem because business rules do not provide आता मिनिस्टराक खबर आसा हांव नको business rules do not provide for giving any work order for without calling for tenders आनी दुसरी गजाल बाबून सांगल्या भशेन तुमी समज ताजें टेंडर तेन्ना कॅन्सल केलें तुमकां डिपार्टमेंटाक जर तुमी थोडे ते एक्सपिरियन्स केला डिपार्टमेंटान कलेक्टूय केलां थोडे कडेन डिपार्टमेंटान कलेक्ट करपाचें न्ही तुमी टेंडर काडना आसतना कशें दिता आनी दुसरो क्वेश्चन म्हजो मॉनिटरींग कमिटी तुवें हांगा रिप्लाय एक दिला मॉनिटरींग कमिटी आसता म्हणून ते सगळे कलेक्ट करता ते चॅक करता बिरता म्हणून त्या मॉनिटरींग कमिटीचेर कोण आसा हू तुजी मॉनिटरींग कमिटी कोण आसा हू सर्टिफाय दॅट बिचीस आर क्लीन म्हाका इतलें मातशें सांग नाजाल्यार तूं पडटलो त्रासां फाल्यां तूं पडत त्रासां ते विदाउट टेंडर काडटा पळय दिलां तूं त्रासां पडत बी केअरफूल बिझनेस रूल्स डू नॉट प्रोवायड फॉर गिवींग वर्क फॉर 2 years 2 वर्सां तुज्यान टेंडर काडना आसतना काम दिवपा जाता
स्पीकर सर तुमकां पयलींच सांगलां ह्या बीच क्लिनिंग टेंडराची पारदर्शकता आसतली बद्दल कसलें सगळें क्लियर कट आसतलें म्हणजे खंयचे एक्सपिरियन्स जे आसा ट्रान्सपरंट हें आसतलें सारकें तेजे बद्दल आनी डावट कोणें धरपाची गरज ना आतां तुवें कितें म्हणलें म्हाका परतें
हांव कितें सांगलें बीच क्लिनिंगाचे पळय ते डिस्ट्रिक्ट दिला न्ही हें टेंडर सोडून दी हें तुजें आतां कोर्टां बिटां प्रकरणां
दुसरी म्हणटा कोण तो
तुवें गेल्ले खेपे कितें सांगिल्लें
सोमाणी तुज्या कॅबिना बसतालो तो पयलीं
ना म्हाका वळखना हांव वळखना ताका
वळखना सोमाणी
पळय
राजू शुल्का
दृश्टी म्हणटा तो बीच क्लिनिंग करतालो बीच क्लिनिंग बीच सेफ्टी बीच क्लिनिंग न्ही बीच सेफ्टी ताका दिलां न्ही म्हजें म्हणणें कितें की तुवें त्या दिसा गेल्ले असेंब्ली म्हाका सांगलें की 1-2 म्हयन्या खातीर आपूण तांकां दिलां टेंडर करना आसतना आतां तें काम 2 वर्सां जालीं चलता
स्पीकर सर
म्हणून म्हणटा तुका
आमी जें काम दिलां ती कायद्यान दिल्लें आहा आतां त्या पयलींच्या सरकारान दिलां म्हणून हांव ना म्हणना तें कंटिन्यू प्रोसिजर हांव म्हणटा तें कायद्यान दिलां हेच्या बद्दल डावट ना कारण हांवें तुका पयलींच सांगलां हांगा खंय ना स्टॉप गॅप अरेंजमेंटचें काम हे पळय एक मिनीट स्टॉप गॅप अरेंजमेंटचें काम दृश्टी लायफ सेव्हिंग हाका सगळे संस्कार पूर्ण करून दिला GFR 184 जनरल फायनान्शियल रूल चे अंडर सगळे प्रोसिजर करून आणि फायनान्शियल अप्रुवल घेवन हें काम दिलां आतां तो सारको ना आसा काय हल्ला कितें जाला तें पळोवपाचें म्हणून आमी आतां दुसरो टेंडर प्रोसिजर केल्लो चालू आहा आतां नवें टेंडर जातकीच आमची मॉनिटरींग कमिटी आसतली सगळें पारदर्शकता आसतली
मॉनिटरींग कमिटी ना
आतां हें पयलीं आतां हांव जालें न्ही रे तुजो मंत्री हें सगळें सारकें आसतलें तो दिगंबर बाब स्पीकर सर आनी जी एजन्सी अपॉयंट करतली ताका सगळे टर्म्स एंड कंडिशन घातलेले आतां आमी स्पीकर सर आमी दुसरी जें आहा स्पीकर सर विदाउट टेंडर
एक मिनिट मने मंत्र्याक सांगू न्ही 3 मिनटांनी सांग
कितें हांवें घेतलें तुमी एक क्वेश्चन केलें तुमकां सारकें सांगपा नाका स्पीकर सर आतां जो आमी टेंडर काडला तेजे भितर सगळी कंडिशन आमी घातलेली आहात सारकी तो खंयच आमकां घुसपोवपाक शकना कितली गार्बेज काडटलो कशें काडटलो आमी आतां एक रूल केल्ले आहा स्पीकर सर
एक मिनिट तुमच्या वेळी रेजिनाल्ड आसा
कोर्टांत कोण वचूं ना हेजो
मॉनिटरींग कमिटी केल्या आतां
आहा न्ही
मॉनिटरींग कमिटी
आसा
कोण आसता सांग मरे
मान्य मंत्री इचरोणी तांकां आनी कितें उरलां
ना तेजा तुजो टेंडराचो तुवें डॉक्युमेंट घे जाल्यार सगळें तुका दिसतलें मॉनिटरींग कमिटी
केल्या काय म्हणटा मॉनिटरींग
केल्ली आहा मरे
नांव कोण आहा ते खबर आहा मेंबर
तें आतां दिवया तुका जाल्यार पण हो जो टेंडर क्रायटेरिया आमचो क्रायटेरिया आहा पळय तेजेर हांव तुमकां थोडें सांगता हेजे भितर कशें आहा तें हेजो तुमी सांगले ते प्रमाणे एस्टिमेट कॉस्ट आहा ते गेलो 59 crores 5 years आमी तो एक वर्साचो काडना 5 वर्साचो घेतला सगळो कित्याक 5 वर्साचो घेतल्यार आमकां कमी प्रमाणे पडटा 1 वर्साचो घेता चड कारण तो जें इक्विपमेंट बी घेता पयल्या वर्सा घेता आनी ती 5 वर्सां यूज करता पण हेजे भितर जो फीट आसतलो आनी कायद्यान आसतलो तेकाच मेळटलो दुसऱ्यांक कोणाक मेळूं शकना आनी हेजी आमी वायट वर्क ऑर्डर डेटेड 2/1/2017 तो एमावंट एका हो आमचो धाराशिव आहा तेका आमी कन्सल्टंट केला तेका आमी 19,48,000 दिवपाचें केला कन्सल्टंट मॉनिटरींग कमिटी आहा पळय
ओके मान्य रेजिनाल्ड मान्य मंत्री तांकां विचारून दितलो आसता तेंचे एकाच मिनिट
मॉनिटरींग कमिटी जी आहा मॉनिटरींग कमिटी जी आहा हो टेंडर जातकीच करतले आमी तो टेंडर जातकीच सद्या ना सद्या कशें आसता सद्या पयलीं आहा तशें चलता पण सद्या आमी केअर घेतात आमचो डिपार्टमेंट मॉनिटरींग करता हेजे आनी हे टेम्पररी जे तेजे डिपार्टमेंट मॉनिटरींग
स्पीकर सर जॉब ना म्हणून लोक बॉब मारतात जॉब ना म्हणून लोक आमगे युथ बॉब मारतात गव्हर्मेंट बोवाड घालतात ओके आतां विल द गव्हर्मेंट गिव अस अ रिपोर्ट वाय दे कांट गिव दीस ऑन देयर ओन तो म्हणटा टेंडर काडला फ्रॉम 8 lakhs it went to 7 crores from 8 lakhs it went to 7 crores from 7 crores now it has gone to 7 and 15 crores now it has gone to 50 crores Will he give a report why he can't employ it and employ people? Will he give us a report next assembly?
एका मिनिटात सांगता जाल्यार तुम्ही सांगात.
Next assembly, he will give me a report
Yes,
why
yes.
he can't employ people and get this done.
Yes.
Because our Goan people are doing it. And कोण कोण ना गोंयकारू कोत्ताय थिंगा कित्याक तांकां कामां लायन करूं जायना. I want the report.
बसात.
स्पीकर सर रिजनेबलचे इतलो मोग गोंयचेर हा की विचारना ग गोंयान दिवची म्हण आमी खंय ना म्हणटा आमी गोंयकार न्ही. स्पीकर सर गोंयान तशी पावर स्पीकर सर जे टेंडर फ्लोट जाता त्यांची कॅपॅसिटी प्रमाण त्यांच्यान वचपाचे भितर लिगल हा तेका मेळट न्ही ते फाल्यां कोर्टान
कामां स्पीकर सर ते कामां लाय
कसले बेश्टे लाय
कामां लाय टेंडर कित्याक टेंडर पयशे हावपाकू
स्पीकर सर
एक मिनिट बसात.
टेंडर कित्याक
गव्हर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी बाबू
बसात.
प्रॉपर्टी न्ही तुझे
कामां
घरान
लाय.
लाय स्पीकर सर
एक मिनिट.
स्पीकर सर CPWD या मॅन्युअल प्रमाणे हे केल्ले आहा तेजे भितर कोण
क्षेत्र तास सोंपला. मान्य मंत्री बसून घेयात. नथिंग विल गो ऑन रेकॉर्ड. सिट. झिरो ऑर मेन्शन. श्रीमती एलिना साल्डाना. झिरो ऑर मेन्शन. नॉट युअर क्वेश्चन. She had not given zero or mention.
Letter in the zero hour. Fear and anxiety in the minds of various private entrepreneurs who organize night markets and other programs for the benefit of Goans and domestic and international tourists who have no other entertainment at night other than going to casinos, nightclubs, or night tours. It is seen that the police authorities are misusing the noise rule, that is Pollution Regulation and Control Rules 2000, by firstly targeting only certain venues and turning a deaf ear on others, and secondly enforcing the law without the State Pollution Control Board or the district magistrate who use the sound meters to ensure the ambient air quality standards in respect of noise, to ensure that the noise levels do not exceed above the permissible levels, that is 55 decibels during daytime and 45 decibels during night time in and around residential areas. What steps will the government take to ensure that the police and the district magistrate are entrusted with this responsibility as per the law and not on bias?
Zero or mention second. Sri Ravi Naik.
Anxiety and apprehension in the mind of people due to the electrical street light poles at Welling, Mardol, which are left unremoved at the middle of the road and cause dangers to the life of motorbike rider and commuter. Governments intend to take action in this matter.
Electrical street light poles at Welling, Mardol, erected on a national highway NH4A from Farmagudi to Mangeshi. On road dividers are street lights, tubular poles, erected by PWD department and not Goa Electricity Department. Upon receipt of the zero-hour mention of Honorable MLA Shri Ravi S. Naik, directions were issued to the officials of Goa Electricity Department to inspect the said stretch of road. And it was found that 2 tubular poles were damaged, which posed danger. Immediately, direction was issued by me to the Goa Electricity Department to remove the said damaged pole on 29/1/2019 itself by 5 p.m. And the said poles were removed, Speaker Sir. Speaker Sir, there is a general perception that all street light poles erected either by PWD, G. Sudha, or any other government departments, GSITC and all other departments, are erected by the Electricity Department, which is not so, Speaker Sir. Since there is a lot of inconvenience to the general public, the Goa Electricity Department is in the process of finalizing the street light policy, which all street light poles will be taken over by the Goa Electricity Department henceforth and will be maintained thereafter. I have already spoken in this regard to Honorable colleague, Shri PWD Minister in this regard. I have also spoken to Honorable colleague, Shri Bilin Naik in this regard. I have also spoken to Honorable colleague, Shri Movin Gudino in this regard. I have also spoken to GISREC Chairman and Chief Minister in this regard. And what has happened, Speaker Sir? लोकांक दिसता की आख्खे जे लायटी आसा जे डिपार्टमेंट गोवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट घालता आनी हांवें म्हाका दिसता एक डिसिजन आमी घेतला आनी आमी आख्खे स्ट्रीट लायट जे आसा गोंयच्यो त्यो घेवपाचे विशय आसा. हांवें काल जे रवी नायक बाबान सांगलेले ते हांवें फोटो हाडलेले आसा. हेजे पयलीं कशे आशिल्ले आनी मागीर ते काडले. म्हणजे हेजे अशे खूब जाणां आसा. हांवें ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयल्लो आनी म्हाका दिसता आमी बसून ते डिसिजन घेतले. हेजे फुडें पॉलिसी येता ते 1-2 म्हयन्या भितर येतली आनी हांवें ऑलरेडी पंचायतीक बरयल्ले आसा, तुमचे सगळे पंचायतीक बरयल्ले आसा. तांकां आमी कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन ही पॉलिसी फूल फ्लॅज करून गोंयची जबाबदारी गोवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट घेतले. स्ट्रीट लायटी पेटोवन दवरपाक आनी ते दिसाचे पेट्टा त्यो रातच्यो बंद जावपाक दिसाचे पेट्टा ते बंद जावपाक जाय. हो डिसिजन घेतला आनी आमकां तूं एक करून हाडलें म्हण देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी असले सगळे मेंबर कडेन मागता की खंय तरी असले गोश्टी आसा आनीक जाल्यार म्हाका कळयचे आनी वी वील टेक इमिजिएट एक्शन इवन दो इट डज नॉट बिलोंग टू माय डिपार्टमेंट. स्पीकर सर.
श्री चेचिलाल नेमो. नो डिस्कशन ऑन जीरो और मेंशन.
Sir, immediately काढले म्हणून थँक्यू म्हणून मिनिस्टर.
ओके.
Speaker sir, fear and apprehension in the minds of the people of Goa regarding the harassment done by Kolwa Police Station, Traffic Cell and RTO. Kolwa Beach is known to cater thousands of tourists every season and also will be declared as iconic beach of India soon. For the last few years, tourism has declined due to the harassment by the traffic managing authorities. Local people of the village and even other Goans who visit Kolwa village are being harassed. Local visiting church, temple, or even local market, shopping are being harassed. The villagers have had many village level meetings and even have discussed in the Gram Sabha and have taken resolution for moving the traffic cell from the Panchayat premises. I want to know, ask the government department as what measure will taken to stop this harassment.
Yes. Next, Sri Chandrakant Kavlikar.
I'll get the answer.
Yeah.
स्पीकर सर, आम्ही दिल्ले कॉलिंग अटेन्शन तुम्ही ते जुरावर केला. Fear and apprehension in the minds of the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan teachers, part-time teachers and vocational teachers, of which majority are the postgraduates and bachelor in the education who are working on contract basis for the last more than 5 years in the secondary or high secondary institution aided and government, within consolidated salaries which have been in the turn reduced further in certain cases and no further any action from the government, in spite of repeated assurances on various platforms. Speaker sir, आज तुम्ही कॉलिंग अटेन्शन म्हाका संदी दिवपा जाय आसली उलोवपाक, कित्याक हाजेर गेल्ल्या हावजाक जेन्ना बजेट सेशनाक सगळी स्ट्रिमीची भुरगीं जेन्ना वेगवेगळ्या आमदारा कडेन मंत्र्या कडेन वसो तेन्ना अशें हावजाक सांगप जाल्लें
Zero or mention.
हय की तुमी आनी खंय वचनाकात, इन्फ्लुएन्स मारनाकात आनी कांय करनाकात. तुमचें जें आसा तें सप्टेंबर पर्यंत तुमचें 90% काम जातलें.
Government will take note of this.
हांव एक नदरे हाडूंक सोदतां की जे पार्ट टायम इंस्ट्रक्टर जे आसात तांकां एज्युकेशन सगळें आसा, ते रिक्वायर्ड क्वॉलिफिकेशन तांकां आसा. चड भुरगीं ना, ते 69 टिचर आसात आनी दुसरी जे आसात ते आसात फक्त 104 डबल पार्ट टायम. तांकां सगळें रिक्वायर्ड क्वॉलिफिकेशन आसा आनी ताका सॅलरी कितली 15,000 आनी 16,000 म्हणजे जातलें कशें? हे भुरग्यांक तेमी कसलेच कामा बाबतींत कांय तेंचें हें ना. टायम टू टायम बाकीच्या रेग्युलर टिचरा प्रमाणे ते सकाळचे 7:45 AM to 1:45 PM म्हळ्यार फूल टायम काम करतात. सगळे अशें आसतना सुद्दां तांकां एक 15,000 16,000 सॅलरीन त्या कितलेच काडटले. हो खंय तरी हो प्रश्न जो आसा तो गांभीर्याने घेवपाची सिरियसली घेवपाची गरज आसा. दुसरी तांकां हे एडॉप्ट करपाची गरज आसा की काही स्टेटींनी पंजाब जम्मू काश्मीर उत्तरांचल म्हणजे अरुणाचल प्रदेश हे मी रेगुलायज केला त्या टिचरांक. अशें पळय काही तरी हें करून बाकीचे आमची गोंयची भुरग्यांक घेवूं जाय. आयज ते खंय वचपाक भितात. आयज ते वचपाक भितात कित्याक तांकां इंस्ट्रक्शन म्हणजे हावजाक दिल्ले आहा की तुमी खंयच्याय आमदारा कडेन मंत्र्या कडेन वचत जाल्यार तुमचें आमी काम करचेच नात. ते खंय वचत नात. पूण ते तरी देखून ताचो प्रश्न सुट्यो जालो ना अजुनी. हे खंय तरी जावं जाय. आयज जर सांगपाक वायट दिसता की पॅरा टिचराक काही प्रमाणात 32,000 तरी मेळटात. मिडल म्हणजे
माननीय विरोधी पक्ष नेते तुमकां हांवें वेळ दिलो
15-16,000
ते अजूनही माझ्या कडेन बरी येतात. गव्हर्मेंटान हाची नोट घेतल्या.
काही
प्लीज
टिचराक 30-30 वर्सां जालात. कशें करतले हे
प्लीज
हावजाक
झिरो आवर
जावपाक
मेन्शन
जाय.
आम्ही रॉंग प्रेसिडेंट घालया नाका प्लीज.